I'm absolutely livid. I have spent the last 2 days at work on the phone nonstop with tech support. It is the people who are supposed to support the technology which I pay for. and it's not only like the people that just have me frustrated, but it's the entire system of how these tech support things work. Like, I am completely convinced that they intentionally design these systems just so you hang up and deal with the problem on your own. I'm so serious. Okay, think about it. So, you have an issue. Obviously, it's with a service you pay for, or it wouldn't be an issue. So you call the company. And the first thing they make you do is go through a series of, like, button-pushing questions. And it's like, please enter your account number. Your account number is, like, 16 digits. And they know damn well you're calling from a touchscreen cell phone, and they know that's hard to do. Then once you get past that, then you gotta, like, press 1 for this and 2 for that, and, you know, do you want English? Press this. And, like, now they, like, intentionally put the numbers out of order. It'll be like, press 1 for customer service, press 3 for tech support. So, once you go through, like, a half hour of hurdles of pushing buttons, then you get to wait on hold for 20 minutes. If you're not pissed and hang up by then, you get to listen to awful recorded messages. Then you get to listen to horrible music, which is always staticky. Then, after all that, someone finally answers. And the first motherfucker who answers asks you the exact same questions that you spent 20 minutes keying in on your touchscreen phone. Then, they tell you, I have never heard of that before. Let me transfer you. If that isn't the biggest crock in the world, as if you are truly the first person to ever have that issue and they've never heard of it before. I find that very hard to believe. So they transfer you to someone who's like the least competent person in the entire world, who was intentionally hired to be that final layer of, like, please just hang up. and that person will spend the next hour and a half of your life putting you on hold, looking up files, asking you questions, and getting you absolutely nowhere but where I am, livid. So, yeah, that was my day. But, so tomorrow will be day number 3 of tech support, and maybe third time's a charm. And if third time's not a charm, then someone's going to get their teeth kicked in. And either way, we will find a resolution, and the support will be helpful and repair the technology issues, or be maimed.